So, it's time to fill up. So, I transferred our cooked filling sa isang bowl para po lumamig. So, while waiting for that to cool down, lalabas na natin yung ating dough. Huwag niyo po na po itapon tong inyong plastic kasi yung mga retaso or yung mga pinagputulan or kapag itatabi natin yung dough para po hindi mag-dry up yung dough. So, kailangan natin siya gagamitin pa natin siya yung ating plastic. Labas na po natin yung ating rolling pin. Lightly flour kasi baka basa pa sa pagkakahugas. So, yun lang po natin. So, ito po. Na-flatten ko na po yung ating dough. It doesn't need much work. Basta i-flat lang po. Okay. I-roll lang po natin siya sa side to make it into a log. Baston. So, if you have the silicone mat, para lang po mapakita natin yung silicone mat. Tapos i-portion na po natin yung size na gagamitin natin. We don't need much kasi maliliit lang po yung empanada na gagawin natin. I prefer it small para hindi po sayang, hindi sobrang laki, hindi sobrang liit. Tapos, habang nag-rest po yung dough, yung plastic na ginamit kanina, you still need it to cover para hindi po nagda-dry. Okay. So, ito na po yung mga portions natin na ginawa kanina. So, kinat natin. Huwag po kayong mag-alala kung sobra, kulang. Kasi, as I've said doon sa previous video natin, this is a very forgiving dough. So, pwede po na, siya, very adaptable po. Kung kulang, sobra. Kung medyo wet po siya, don't forget to dust your surface. Kasi na po natin siya i-roll out. Ako po, I prefer the dough very thin. Ayoko po nung medyo makapal na empanada. So, I prefer it thin. Sa mga beginners po, madali lang po to. Kung mapunit po nyo, wag po kayong mag-alala, mariritokin ninyo. Okay? So, kukuha po tayo ng 1 tablespoon. Yung una po nyong kuha is 1 tablespoon. Yung susunod po na half tablespoon, kung ano po yung kulang doon sa nauna na ingredient, yun po ilagay para balanse po yung laman ng inyong filling. So, close po natin siya into a shell. Okay. So, kikita nyo po may sobra. Doon papasok yung ating scissors. Okay. I-cut nyo po yung sobra. Yung super sobra lang. Pero, add enough space para makikrimp po natin yung sa sides. Make sure na sealed po yung inyong empanada. Okay? Ito pong sobra, Huwag nyo pong i-discard, itago lang po ninyo doon sa inyong plastic. We can use it earlier. Not earlier, later. We can use it later pala. Okay? So, ito po yung nakita nyo doon sa video. This is the how to crimp the empanada. So, press and fold, press and fold, press and fold, press and fold. Siyempre, pag expert na kayo, sa dami ng gagawin ninyo later on, magiging expert na po kayo. Okay? So, I'll do it again. Flour your surface. Make sure it's floured para hindi dumidikit yung inyong dough. Pwede naman din pong makapal kung gusto nyo talaga ng makapal na dough. Pero ako kasi personal preference ko po yung manipis. Ang size po nung sa akin is 1.5 tablespoons of filling. You can do more than that, pero I don't think you can do less than that. So gaya niyan, kulang tayo ng carrots. So, we'll add carrots. So, pag medyo sanay na po kayo, eventually, wala na yung mga sobra-sobra. So, you don't need to cut. So, hindi po maselan talaga itong dough na to. Okay? It's really for beginners. Okay? Doon sa stage po na to, pwede naman gamitin ng fork and do this na lang. Para ibang style naman to. You can do this with other flavors siguro. Para may difference lang. With, halimbawa, you do this with chicken, you do that with your tuna. Kaso ako, personal favorite ko po kasi yung crimpy na to. So, this is how I do it. Okay. Yung po mga nagawa natin, I don't recommend it na store po ninyo ng ganitong form. Kasi, if you remember, raw po yung egg natin. Raw egg, whole egg. So, baka magkaroon po kayo ng salmonella. So, I prefer po, if you're going to store it, i-fry na po ninyo siya or i-bake na ninyo siya. Tapos, i-freeze if you really want to store it and gamitin hanggang next week. So, kapag kakainin nyo na siya from the freezer, you thaw it for a while, tas microwave lang po or oven toaster. So, these are our empanadas that we're going to deep fry. Kapag i-bake nyo naman po siya, we'll do egg wash. Egg wash is 1 egg, just add a little bit of water, siguro 1 tablespoon, mix it, and then you brush the tops of your empanada. So, kasi ito po yung classic na empanada na ginawa natin, so we'll be doing it the original way na we Filipinos do it, which is deep fry it. Beginners po na magfa-fry ng ganito, yung mga friends ko po dyan na takot sa mantika. Ang sekreto lang po is to place it gently. Wag po yung panic na ibabagsak natin, tas prone po kayong mapaso. So, sasample po ng isa. So, lay it down slowly. Pwede din pong ilagay nyo sa ladle. Tapos slowly nyo ibababa. Basta't huwag nyo pong ibabagsak. So, Don't expect it na magba-brown kasi we used butter. So, more on the golden side po siya. Pero if you're going to use vegetable shortening, definitely yun po magba-brown po. Tapos, do not crowd po your pan. Kasi pag crowded po siya, bababa yung temperature ng oil natin. Mas matagal po yung pag-fry. So, ito na po nyo. It's about done. So, this is good. So, akahin na po natin siya. Lagay lang po sa tissue. Para ma-drain yung excess oil. So, we'll finish all of this first. Then, I'll show you the finished product in a while. This is how good it looks inside. So, this is my finished product po. Hopefully, you'll do the recipe in your homes. Stay home and stay safe. If you have questions, please comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. For questions on costing, I cannot do those right now kasi ang hirap ko pumunta sa grocery. But eventually, siguro after ECQ, we can do those costing for those who want to do this as a business. Succeeding videos po, I'll try my best to do recipes na konti po yung ingredients. Siguro yun yung mas fitting this time of quarantine. And after that, siguro yung mga ibang klase ng feeling. Enjoy po! Thank you!